We can remove elements from a list with a pop method. For example, consider the following program. In line 1, Python assigns the list 246 to the numbers variable. In line 2, Python pops the element at index 2 from the list. The popped element is stored in variable x. The pop operation consists of the following steps. 1. Retrieve the location of the list from the variables map. 2. Retrieve the list from the object store. 3. Pop the list at the given index. 4. Store the popped list back in the object store. And 5. Push the popped element into the top of the value stack. Let's more closely examine the pop operation. At time 7, the current line is 2, the current tab is 0, and the variables map contains one variable numbers with value Python reference 0. The object store contains one list 246 at index 0. The statement at line 2 is the assignment x equals numbers.pop2. As usual, Python begins by pushing the expression on the right side of the equal sign to the expression stack. Python then evaluates the child expressions. For method calls, the children are the object, which is numbers, and the method argument, which is 2. Numbers is Python reference 0. Python has finished evaluating the child expressions. Pop is a built-in method, so LWPython executes it in one step instead of jumping to a method definition. The top element of the value stack is 2 and Python reference 0. The second value contains the location of the list. Accordingly, Python retrieves the element at index 0 of the object store, which is the list 246. Then LWPython pops the element at index 2. The popped list is stored back in the object store, and the popped element is pushed to the value stack. At time 12, the value stack contains the element 6, and the list in the object store is now 24. The pop method call is finished. Python then assigns the popped value to variable x. Finally, Python computes the length of the list numbers and stores the output in variable newLength. In general, if at time t the line is I, the tab is j, and the expression stack is empty, and the statement at line I tab j is objectName.popIndex, then at time t plus 1, the pop operation is pushed into the expression stack, and the value stack is initialized. Then at time t plus 2, Python pushes object name and index into the expression stack. Python now evaluates the children. Suppose that object name is Python reference pi, and the index value is vi. Then at some future time u, Python pushes vi and Python reference pi into the value stack. Suppose that the element at index pi of OS is the Python list elements, and the element at index vi of elements is popped elem. Finally, if we pop elements at vi, the result is new elements. Then at time u plus 1, the pop operation is popped from the expression stack, popped elem is pushed into the value stack, and the object store is the result of storing Python list new elements at index pi of stack OS.